Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Dive in the Words. Today, we're diving into a powerful book that has the potential to transform the way you approach your goals and productivity. Before we jump into the key concepts, let me give you a quick introduction to the authors. Gary W. Keller is the co-founder of Keller Williams Realty International, which is one of the largest real estate companies in the world. Jay Papasan is a best-selling author and speaker who has collaborated with Gary on several projects. Together, they've created a book that's packed with actionable insights to help you achieve extraordinary results by focusing on what truly matters. So what's the big idea behind the one thing? Let's break it down. The central principle of the book is simple yet powerful. Focus on one thing. Yes, just one thing. This idea is all about identifying the most important task that, by doing it, makes everything else easier or unnecessary. Sounds intriguing, right? This leads us to the concept of the domino effect. Think of it like this. When you focus on the most critical task, it creates a domino effect, where achieving one goal leads to a series of successes in other areas. Pretty cool, huh? Now, to figure out what your one thing is, you need to ask yourself the focusing question. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? This question is like your magic wand for prioritization. Once you've identified your one thing, it's time for time blocking. This means dedicating specific time slots exclusively to working on your one thing without any distractions. Trust me, it's a game changer for productivity. And let's not forget about the myth of multitasking. The authors debunk this myth by explaining that multitasking actually dilutes your focus and efficiency. Instead, single tasking, giving your undivided attention to one task at a time, is the way to go. Keller and Papasan also highlight the lies of success. These are misconceptions that sabotage our success, like believing everything matters equally or that a disciplined life is the key to success. Spoiler alert. It's not about discipline, it's about focus. The book also talks about the importance of living with purpose. Align your one thing with your purpose and values, and you'll find sustained motivation and fulfillment. And finally, the path to mastery. This journey is all about continuous learning, practice, and improvement in your chosen one thing. It's a long-term commitment, but it's worth it. So why should you read The One Thing? Here are some key benefits. Enhanced productivity. By focusing on what matters most, you'll achieve more in less time. Clarity and purpose. You'll gain a clearer sense of direction and purpose in your life. Stress reduction. Simplifying your workload reduces stress and overwhelm. Extraordinary results. Mastering your one thing unlocks your full potential. The One Thing by Gary W. Keller and Jay Papasan is a must-read for anyone looking to streamline their focus and maximize their productivity. It's packed with practical advice and compelling insights that can help you achieve your goals more effectively. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and productivity tips. And let us know in the comments, what's your one thing that you're going to focus on? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.